Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to generate your own AI style photo edit using CapCut. So here, what you need to do is just import a photo to CapCut and then go to Effect. And here you'll find AI Stylize. Click on that. So CapCut will show you the prompts. You can use this, or you can also explore more by clicking on this hot tags, and there will be lots of options that you can choose like this, but I'm going to just use these between these three. So I'm going to use the surrealism, so click on that. I'm going to choose the style a boy. Okay, just click on generate and wait for the result, or wait for the CapCut to apply the AI style to your photo. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, it might not be perfect. I write a boy, but it's not as a girl, but that's fine. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.